Hello everyone, this video is about my study desk makeover. Now I am resetting these things to get some aesthetic vibe. Let's get started. This wall poster makes more attractive towards your study desk. I buy this on Meesho. If you want link, please check description box. Now I'm sticking these posters to the wall. And this is the final look. I'm placing lamp towards the wall. This is the desk organizer. I keep this near the lamp. I borrow this on Meesho. If you want this link, please check description box. This two desk organizer, I set this one here. If you want this link too, you can check description. Then the clock, most important thing. This link is also in description. I'm setting some watches and tab pen in the tray and some beads bracelet too. This is my favorite mug. Link will be in description. Then at the last, I set my laptop and tab. Yeah, this is the final look of my study desk. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. See you guys on next video.